Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design simple part in SolidWorks. It's for beginners to exercise make part in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. Open SolidWorks. In here, we use millimeter units, so ensure you select in millimeter gram second for unit. We have drawing in here. We start from front plane. So right click on front plane and click sketch. Select line and draw sketch like this, this, and this. It's simple. We can see for dimension. We can set for dimension. First, for this line half length in 68 millimeter and width in 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter, and in here 60 millimeter and width in 15 millimeter. This line have height in 60 millimeter and width in 15 millimeter, like this. So just extrude. The total length in here is 68 plus 12 plus 12 is 92. So select feature, select or click extrude boss or base. For direction, we can change in mid plane for symmetry part, and the length is 92 millimeter. Just click OK and done, like this. It's so simple. In here have hole in here. All holes are through. So right click on this face and click sketch. Select corner rectangle in here and draw this to this, like this. Ensure for midpoint in here and click this center of the part, or click Control and hold and click make vertical. Click 2 point and click make vertical for symmetry part. And set for the length in here in 68 millimeter. And automatically for distance in here we can check in 12. In here 12 millimeter too. It's so simple. And click feature to make hole. Just click extrude cut. For direction in here is through all. Just click OK and done, like this. Don't forget in here have two hole, diameter in 12 millimeter. Right click on this face and click sketch. Select circle and draw here. Set for dimension. This circle to this edge have distance in 20 millimeter, and this circle center to this edge have distance in 18 millimeter. 18. So don't forget for diameter is 12 millimeter here. Diameter 12 and two holes. We can in here have two holes. So just click mirror entities and edit the mirror. Just click this circle and mirror about. You can select front plane. Click OK, and to make hole like before, click feature and select extrude cut. Direction is through all. Just click OK, like this. It's so simple. In here we want to make like cylinder in here. So this face to this face have distance in 15 millimeter. So we just to make new plane, select feature and click reference geometry, select plane, and for first reference just click this face and distance is 15 millimeter and 15 millimeter. You can flip offset, but in here I uncheck list because the direction is correct in here, like this. Don't forget this face to this face is distance is 15, so ensure the input in here offset distance in 15 millimeter. Click OK, and we just to make new plane. The name is plane 1. Right click on plane 1 and click sketch. Select circle and draw from this point or midpoint in here, like this. Because the distance in here is 60 millimeter, like this. We can check in here. This to this is 60 millimeter, like this. And set for dimension of circle in here. The diameter is 36, like this. And select feature and click extrude boss or base. We can to reverse direction to here. Just click here, reverse. Ensure for direction change in blind, and we can reverse direction. The total in here, the 15 plus 15 is 30 plus 22 is 52. Total length is 52 millimeter or deep, like this. Ensure your checklist in here for direction in here, reverse direction like this. Just click OK. We can hide this plane. Right click and click hide. And don't forget to make hole in here, 22 for diameter. Right click on this face and click sketch. Select circle again. Draw from center in here. You can see the plus here, the center of circle, and set for dimension in 22 millimeter. And select feature and click extrude cut. For direction, you can change in through all. Just click OK. And in here, we must make a rib. The thickness is 12 millimeter. The rib in here in cylinder, so it's so simple. First, right click on this face and click sketch. Then select corner rectangle, draw this to this. Ensure this line and click Ctrl to this edge. Click make collinear, and for midpoint this line, click Ctrl, click the center of the part, click make horizontal. This. For rib have thickness 12 millimeter, so we can set in here within 12 millimeter, like this. After that, just click feature, click curve, click split line, and for selection in current sketch and type of slip, ensure you select in projection, and for face, just click this face or cylinder out in here. But in here you must checklist in single direction. Click here and show direction in below. Just click OK and done. We just to make sketch like this. So after that, right click on this face and click sketch. Select corner rectangle again and draw from this edge to this. Ensure this line to this edge. Click Ctrl, hold and click make collinear. And like before, this midpoint to the center of the part, click Ctrl and click make horizontal. For width, don't forget in here in 12 millimeter. Sorry, and just click exit sketch. To make rib in cylinder, we use feature the name is love boss or base. Just click here. We can clear selection in here for profile. Just click this face or this sketch and just click this sketch. We can see in here have 2 point, the green point. We can draw in this point to this, like this. Okay, after that you can see like this. If we can adjust this point, again this, but in here draw this point to this, like this. Drag in here. Just click OK and done. You can drag the point like this. We just to make simple part like this, we can to change our branches. Select all feature. The color maybe is like gray in here. Select again for feature. Click face in white to hole in here, this hole and this hole. Just click OK. Okay, I think that's enough how to design simple part like this. It's for beginner. I hope this will help you to learning SolidWorks. I apologize if there are any mistake of any this material. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next tutorial, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment this channel. Thank you very much.